Alright, welcome back, Aussie Dad Life. Got another quick video for you. Well, probably not going to be a quick one, it's going to be a long one looking at the size of this box here. Decided I needed something to help me out with all the wood that I've been getting, so I decided to get myself a Petrol wood splitter. Looked around online and ended up getting a BAUMR 20 ton Petrol wood splitter. That's a hydraulic model. So it took about 5 days to turn up. As you can see here, it's fairly well put together. Everything's contained inside this one box apparently. So thought I'd bring you along. Let's open it up, have a look at what it goes like, and depending if it comes with oil and stuff, maybe quickly fire it up in here and put a couple of logs through it and just see what it goes like. So anyway, I hope you're doing well. If you could subscribe, like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this. If you've got any other experience with it as well, that'd be really good. And yeah, let's get stuck in the video. Alright, so I've ripped the top off, guys. This looks really good from a first instance. One thing that's jumped out at me is I've got one tyre. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to come with 2 tyres. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. But anyway, we'll pull it all out and have a look at it. Yeah. Alright. So it comes with, before using the splitter, regular unleaded and engine oil. I can handle that. Alright. Oh shit, heavy girl. So it doesn't appear to come with any instructions, but we're a professional homeowner, so should be able to work this out ourselves. Alright, so we've run into the first problem. There is supposed to be 2 wheels. Only one of them turned up with the kit, so looks like I'm going to have to get on the phone to them tomorrow and get them to send out another wheel for us. But anyway, we'll keep going with putting it all together. Alright, so thoughts. Apart from the missing wheel, all went together pretty straightforward. This this screw was a bit, thread was a bit tight. You had to really wind it on. This one going into here, no problems at all. I do need to double check because I think I need to have an O-ring inside them to stop leaking. I just seen them over there, so I'm going to pull that one off in a minute. Everything else seems pretty heavy duty. Splitter, everything else, like I said, yeah. I'm going to run over all the nuts and bolts, obviously because this is something from out of China, and I don't want it to rattle apart on me, so I'm going to spend, you know, half an hour or so going through all of the screws and nuts and bolts, make sure they're all nice and tight. And I've got to get some hydraulic fluid because it didn't come with any of that. And yeah, so anyway, I'll contact Edison's tomorrow for the wheel and we'll go from there. But overall, pretty small, easy. I'm actually going to mount this on the front of my trailer, so I can just pick it up, go, and don't have to worry about it. And then I can, if I go somewhere, you know, a fair distance away. Otherwise, it'll be just here out in the backyard that I can do at my leisure. It's also quite low, which is good. So if you're picking up big rounds, like it doesn't even come up to my knees really. So you don't have far to lift the wood when you're splitting it. And this, for me, I'm 6'1", back and forth, happy days. So anyway, we'll hopefully on the weekend we'll be able to get it out and have a real good go of it. Alright, anyway, thanks again for watching Aussie Dad Life, and I'll catch you on part 2 of this when we give this a workout. Cheers.